Hey guys, it's a beautiful day for a ride. I'm going to go out and see if I can get a little bit better skills and prepare for my motorcycle test here in a few weeks. Let's go. Hey guys, I wanted to just see if anybody else thinks that this sounds like it's running right, okay? How's that motor sound? Does that sound like it's running right? Let me know in the comments. Thanks, guys. Hey, another thing, guys. Where does this go? How far down is that supposed to hang? Some sort of an accessory plug, I assume. I don't know if you're supposed to tuck it up in there, if it's supposed to be attached to something. I think it'll go up in there if I just push it up in, but I don't want it to get in some part of the motor too. So let me know.